But okay, are you on the 5 minute or you're on the one?
I'm about a minute.
I mean, if I can get like, I don't know, cause I don't really want to be looking at charts so like I'd like to be on like the 5 minute chart. I like that.
So we took one loss today, but that doesn't matter because whenever I'm trading at school, I have no clarity. I was actually asleep for market open. It was 9:20 New York time to 9:40. I was slumped. I was asleep. I had no clarity, and I really can't trade when I'm at school. But I still do my best to actually give out good signals. But ever since I've had this new schedule, I've been taking loss after loss after loss. They've been trying to shut me down. But that aside, going into the day, I wanted a Judas swing because accumulation, we had our manipulation higher. So boom, Judas swing 930 open. Look at this. Ran out these highs 930. We're now obviously bearish. So when I saw this, I wanted to go short off this inversion fair value gap. We were right here. We almost tagged it. We did not take it. So that's fine. And going lower, lower, lower. Here we formed low resistance liquidity, and there was not really any setups unless you want to start taking trades off this, which could have been a, no, it's not really a unicorn. But if you would be considering this as a liquidity sweep and this low, this would have been a unicorn that you could have taken a trade off of just because of the fair value gap we had right here. But overall, this is just low resistance liquidity pushing lower, and we had this breakaway gap right here, so that confirmed that we were gonna push lower. The low resistance liquidity, then smart money reversal. I'll show you what that looks like on the lines. Boom, run lower, push up, shift in market structure. So market structure shift, then we have this breaker block, which we did not form a unicorn because I have a video on that. I want to do it. And we had turtle soup down here, but we never got filled into it. So that was one trade we didn't get. Coming up, we entered our reaccumulation phase, which also tapped this rejection block plus fair value gap up here. And keeping this in mind, we're obviously still bearish, and this could have just been our short-term retracement. Even though we didn't retrace into a discount, we still tapped into one of our standard deviation levels, and I was pretty confident that we were going to go lower. So rejection block, and we didn't tap into the consequent encroachment, but any type of movement that goes above into the wick is a rejection block. So once you see that, we start pushing lower, and that's where I drew out my standard deviation level. And coming lower, boom, 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 shop around, this would have been a unicorn if we did have the PD array to support it. But overall, you could see that we were respecting this order block, which is pretty good confidence. When we see an order block being respected like this, like no closures above, I'd be fine with shorting the level just because shift in market structure right here, because we have this candle up higher. So we are respecting all of this. Equal highs got swept, so this could have been a turtle soup entry. But overall chopping, but respecting this one PD array. And what's something that we've seen multiple times whenever we're trading. I know M2 took a signal one time when I was trading this. So chopping around here, chopping around order block, breaker block, any type of PD array, you see it cleanly respect it with a bunch of chop, I'd be fine with taking a short off that and have really tight stop, maybe up to this order block right here, or maybe to the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. And after that, you could see we push lower, which I think this is like 40-50 handles, 52 handles, which price today was pretty wild, but it's pretty good. Hold up. I just want to move that real quick. So you can see we push lower, and this is our mitigation block, or IOFED, which is, they're basically the same thing, but mitigation block with a fair value gap. We tagged it to the tick instead of a premium, nailed it, boom, right there, and that could have been our short with no drawdown. These are the shorts I usually take. I almost always take these shorts. If I see it, I'd be in on shorts off this, but we never got it, so it's kind of a shame because my stop would have been right here, and of course I would have been targeting at this low or max expansion to our fourth standard deviation, and that's exactly where we went. So this could have been an easy 100 handle play, but it's nothing to stress out about. We'll catch more. This is just one example of price action. So moving forward, we had sweep of this low, shift in market structure, retracement into not a discount. We didn't retrace into a discount. If we did retrace into a discount, I would automatically be in shorts just off inverse fair value gap, this Reaper fair value gap, anything you would have seen. I just want to be in longs because of this clean and clear shift in market structure. But this is lunch hour, so I realistically wouldn't have taken it. Straight after lunch, though, we did have this run up higher, which is I was considering a break of structure. I want to see our retracement back into this breaker plus fair value gap. So keeping this level marked out, I want to see us retrace into it. We pushed straight through it, swept out this low, and guess what else we did? We returned into a discount, or if you're really looking forward to it, or if you're really looking at price, we returned into an optimal trade entry zone with this inversion fair value gap. So if I would have seen this if I wasn't trading on mobile, because my number one thing that plagues me for PM session, I'll show you real quick. I was looking at the trade on mobile, so I was not able to see anything to the left of me. I was basically trading blind and clueless because I can't really do analysis when I'm trying to eat my lunch because I eat a ton of lunch. I'm trying to get bigger, so I eat a lot of lunch. So messes me up. But you could see respected the inversion fair value gap perfectly. Ran out these lows, relative equal lows, or we formed three drives right here. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is high resistance liquidity or three drives, which is also another trade entry. So if I was actually able to properly see this, if my mindset was in the right place, I didn't have brain fog, if my diet gets better, or anything, like my sleep gets better, if I had a little bit more mental clarity, or if I started bringing my MacBook into the lunchroom, but that would mess with my diet, so I don't really know what to do. That's kind of what's pinning me down right now for PM. And we'd be missing moves like this, because you know I like to trade deep into the PM. And, what was it? My lunch starts literally, the second PM session starts, I'm in the lunch line grabbing my lunch, and we get around 20 minutes to eat. So, this is the time where I'm inside the lunchroom, and we missed a play. It's alright though. And you can see we cleanly came down to max expansion if I didn't already say that. So drawing under standard deviation, you can see we're running up higher. We could have held honestly to our second standard deviation right here, or something I have seen, it's kind of in the CBDR range of the core content. You can actually use the equilibrium on your standard deviations to see what we respect. And I think this is the best way to put it because you can see that we sometimes do tap into it and reject. And that's exactly what we did. But what were we respecting when we pushed up higher? Tapped into this respected consequent, or no, it's actually called mean threshold of the standard deviation. So we're respecting the 0.5 of it. Instantly push lower, so we got a reaction. Now, when we push up higher one more time, what do we have right here to the left of it? We have this bearish order block that we tapped to the tick, especially after the sweep. So, I don't know if we actually tagged it. Either way, if we tagged it or not, there's some area up here. Supply, this is a demand zone. There's a demand zone up here, we'll call it that, or rejection block, anything you want to call it. We had some sort of PD array to the left, and that's where we tapped into, making this a turtle soup, which could have sent us into a play lower, but I wouldn't have actually looked for a full trade all the way down to these lows, just because of our current, let me think, what's the word for this? Our current program that we're in, we're obviously in a buy program. I'm not expecting all this low resistance liquidity to get taken out at 331. Literally the second my school or my day at school ends, I'm not really expecting that. And you could have seen we had multiple plays that could have been faked out like that. This is the only one where we swept out the high and continued, but if I was able to see this, the best place we could have targeted is the discount of the range, and that's exactly what we tapped into, retraced into a discount of this swing low to this swing high of this initial play right here. And if we put standard deviation, I haven't done that before on this move. I think this is our distribution leg. I just want to see if it's precise, see what type of levels we tapped into. So I just want to see, because I've never done anything like this. So, oh wow, fourth standard deviation perfectly too. That's pretty cool. And if you can see up here, we ran into our second standard deviation, and we pushed lower. So you can see price was actually working really well today. It wasn't bad, and if you're advanced enough to understand how standard deviations work and all of our price entry models, you should have banked today because this was pretty clear to read. It was pretty, I don't know, I am a bad trader right now, but you could see price is really easy to call out once you know what you're doing. And I
Check
obviously
out
don't.
that -5.
Yeah, you
Check
see
out.
this? What, you want to see the -5? Max
Yes.
expansion? I know, look how clean
Yeah,
that is.
that's what I took. Okay, I have a question.
What's up?
So you see that mini buy model we have on the left side,
Which one, this one?
30-second one I was talking
I'm not
about.
a 30-second trader.
Okay. Anyway, I didn't consider that the finish of the buy model. I know that sounds crazy, but I wanted a retracement under the original, like what's called the original low, and I caught the whole. So there's two longs I caught. That's why I was like, remember when you longed, and I told you, like when you longed, and I knew you're gonna get stopped out.
Mm-hmm.
I was targeting the highs, like so, like literally the high 15-minute fair value gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I used to targeted the original buy model again. So like I targeted the liquidity on the left side because that's what I saw as liquidity.
Oh, okay. Bro, imagine if I took these two plays right here. Because
Isn't that his?
you could have called this out. I'm not even kidding. It's possible for someone to call this out. I swear some ICT trader had to have taken this. I want to
That's
get to this level where I could be taking trades like this. Look at this. Look. Swap this out 4th standard deviation, retrace into a discount inversion fair value gap right here. Perfectly respected. That would have been your entry right there. And you want to be targeting our 5th standard deviation. This is such a perfect play, especially because it's the last trading hour. It would have shot us up to our final or our max expansion quickly. There's
that's
so
his
much.
second-hand redistribution
Yeah.
model, right?
Yeah, this is the second leg redistribution. Bro, it was so clean today. And I messed it up. I don't.
It's okay. I blew my eval account. I totally wasn't reporting.
Yeah, me too. But I
I
actually,
mean,
I took her, I had an eval that was a max data loss. Guess where I blew it? It was during FIED, and what was it? Where's mine's on FIED? I think it's like 1040, because I remember we were pushing lower like this, and I wanted to get retracement entry. So, when I wanted to get retracement entry, we tapped into a 0.5 fair value gap, and guess what I did? When we re-entered this fair value gap after tapping into a premium, I full ported longs, and that was it.
she fucking raped. Okay.
Yeah, the only thing I could see was, so this is my phone, this is the only thing I saw. We tapped into a premium, returned into a discount, and I was like, alright, we're gonna go higher. Demolished. It was so
I be,
yeah, it was not
I
good.
became Aussie's liquidity today too.
Yeah,
Uh,
it was a rough day for trading, even though the price was so clean. I don't have enough time at school. I'm constantly putting my laptop down and I'm not able to see the charts. Like right here, I just spent 10 straight minutes looking at the charts. I wouldn't even have 3. I'd probably have 2 minutes to look at the chart on maybe 2 different time frames and then my computer gets taken. So,
yeah, that's good that you cancel those limits though. Oh my lord, you would have got fucking butt fucked.
I know I would have. I want to stop trading on mobile, but that's the only way I can.
Bro, if you're doing that, then just switch, like, flip your phone to the left so you can get like the full version of it. Like if you literally hold your phone to the left side to like make it bigger.
I'm about to turn into a
You
maniac at school. I'm not even kidding. This happens. If this happens enough, if this happens the entire year, because I can't even give good signals. My signals is what I liked, because I was able to give out really profitable signals back then. Like I was having high win rate and everything. Bro, look at this. I'll show you. Like, look at my channel. You can see my callouts. Old.
Yeah, I remember M2 used to full port your signals.
Yeah, and he won. He won every single time.
Yeah.
Bro, look at these trades.
Bit of over exaggeration, but okay.
Okay, so we formed a rejection block in a market maker sell model. Watch T of the Newsweek. Displacing past the sideward continue. Unlikely to do Tuesday's manipulation. I don't know why I logged this Tuesday manipulation. I should have known. I want to see what happens. Short, $102. Oh, wow. We got a displacement. Break. Oh, I remember this trade. I was in my second period. We had this breakaway gap. I went to see 0.5. I gave a massive signal for shorts. And what was it called? Goodness me. Boom. Let's go. 1.6. I had 2 funded accounts. 1.6k. Market maker reversal potentially coming up. 115. Longs look good if we respect it. Let's wait and see. Boom. Tapped into it. Pushed up higher. 10 contracts. And I want to see retracement. This is my initial entry. We tapped. Do we tap into it? I'm not sure if we tapped into it. Oh, wait, no, this is Mahaz. I told Mahaz to enter off this. And when it closed above, push lower, he tapped in under this. And we held it out to our max standard deviation. I entered shorts and banked off shorts. And all my classmates were taking my signals, too. And I was so much. I was doing so good, bro.
Mantas, check out market open today. I got my ass.
Hold up. It was a Judas swing. How'd you not see that?
Oh, this morning?
Yeah.
I was trying to long it, because I got fucked in the manipulation leg. So you know how me and Frosty did the exact same trade. He got a better entry than me, and I got fucked over because my stop loss was too tight. But y'all, you know how tight my stop loss is.
Yeah, I see that. Bro, look how tight my stops used to be. Look at this. I was crazy back then. I had 1 contract in. The second I saw the reaction, I entered again.
What is that? 3 handles?
No, this is, let me see, 4, I don't know.
Yes, 474 and then 71.
474 to 405.
That's like 3 handles, I'd say.
This is 3 handles. No way, this is 3 handles.
I think that's 3 handles, bro.
70. Okay, so 79 to 04. Let's see. Let's see how much 79 to 04 is.
I don't think that's 3 handles exactly. That's like 275, like 325. I can't do math right now. I'm not gonna lie to you.
79 to 04. Okay. 79. We're gonna go to 04.
Oh, am I stupid?
That was 25 handles.
What the hell? My stop is always 6 handles.
No, this is my. That's how much I was up. This stop.
Following is intended
Whoa, what was
only
that?
for
Oh, I'm
mature
sorry. No, I.
audiences.
Oh, I thought you were talking about how much I was up. No. Okay, so 71 to 74. Bro, that's 3 handles. What? You're good, bro. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, my stop is like 3 to 6 handles
Yeah,
usually.
that's yeah. We usually have that. That's how big my stops used to be. What did I take that trade off of? I gotta figure out why I took that trade off of.
Something off the
I don't
5
know.
minutes.
Okay. This is my shorts are. Oh, look at this. Potential judo swing. Shorts are looking ideal. I showed it off IFVG. Okay, I was up. Out of first account. Oh my. Boom. 1.3k. 300.
Did you
1.4k.
get banned off for take profit?
Hmm.
Did you get banned off for take profit?
I think. Oh, I took a loss here. Watch. Yeah, I remember taking this loss. It was actually a market maker buy model here. I was in a cool class stream at this time. I want to see how we used to trade. Close above this high. We went longs in the IFVG. Oh, we got demolished. Oh, manipulation macro. This bull breaker outside after manipulation macro. This is the clearest longs I've ever had in my life. Boom. Look at this. Tap into our entry. I entered. Watch this. Look at how clean this was. And Hanzo was here too.
I feel like this was like back then.
This is back. Were you here at this time?
Yes.
I was such a good trader, bro. All I have to do now is reminisce on my old times. Look at the displacement to my take profit too.
You didn't even have that many confluences back then. You had like 2 or 3. That's all good.
No,
but now you have like.
I had like 17 in my head because it was just the
What the
trend,
fuck?
manipulation macro, the silver bullet breaker block, everything. Because the manipulation macro just told me that what it was. This is a breaker right here. I don't know if we had a fair value gap. And what did I enter off of? Was it just strictly off the breaker? There's no way.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised because back
Shift
then
amount
it
of
was.
structure retrace, yeah. 2.6k in a day. I can't even make. I get negative 2.6 now. Left. Oh yeah, I left a runner to -5. Market maker sell model short. I took this too. What is this? Silver bullet breakaway or even an inverse video. Oh, I marked some. Okay, I think that's what I could. I was thinking about all the possibilities instead of just watching price. I was anticipating the possibilities like silver bullet breakaway gap, inverse PD array, three drives at this high, shorted off 3 drives. I don't think it played out. Yeah.
Man, are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. I'm gonna let the recording see this.
Alright.
Oh, I passed an eval here. 50k eval. Hey, how's
Yeah,
your thing doing, M2?
Oh, Mantas. It's okay. We're hanging on. I'm up like 500. No, not 700. I'm up 700.
Huh?
So it's not the worst.
I'm not gonna lie, I expected Bud to say he blew it.
I cannot believe my eyes. There's no way this one hits. This one can't hit. Bro. Come on. Are you serious? How many channels was that?
The hell is that error?
It was just the shorts I give, the signal I give for shorts. I want to see 5th standard deviation, I'm pretty sure. I think my old videos have some gems in it. I should learn off what I had with my old videos. I pyramid entry. This is my first time pyramid entering. Or pyramid entry. Using the pyramids.
Fuck is a pyramid entry?
You basically just size and slowly.
Oh, so like you do heavy and then
Yeah,
slow
it
and
runs
slow.
my full take profit.
So wait, pyramid entry is 6-6-3-1, right? Am I
No,
tripping?
it's whatever. I used to do like 10, 5, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1, 1, 1, and that was about it. And then I just had stops to break even, a really tight stop. And I was still in profit. I got stopped down, I was still in profit. So it is powerful. Vacuum block. Let's see. Oh. Well, okay, what could I have gotten an entry? What did I enter off of? Yo.
Wait, what? Talk to me.
Wait, what did I enter off of here?
Where'd you enter?
Right here. Do you see this red line? That's where I entered.
Fair shorter block, maybe.
Oh, you're right. It could have been the order block. Okay, so order block. And it just dumped directly. Look how quickly it dumped after that.
How didn't you get stopped out? What the hell?
No, my entry was right here at this red line.
Wait. But you didn't even wait for a retap. What the fuck?
I don't know what I entered off of. I think it was something I was thinking of. Just a sweep, push lower, and I think there's not even an inversion here, so I don't know what.
So
I was thinking.
when did you enter though?
No, the entry was right here at the right where the price was. When it was going down, I think there was a small retrace up higher, and that's where it entered. Oh,
okay,
I remember, yeah. There's so much kids trying to inverse my plays, and I was just demolishing them. This made me mad. I remember this. Look, imagine setting limits here. I don't even know why I set limits, but look, we got tagged in almost literally no drawdown, and it didn't even fill me. Yeah, look at that. Tagged in, didn't even fill me. And Discord wasn't working, but I gave out another signal here. Oh, that was my take profit. Nice.
You know what used to be better too? You used to not fucking over leverage, bro.
Okay, shut up.
You used to do less than a mini, bro. Like, you need to keep doing that. Come on.
Look at my trade, bro. Look at this. What did I Look, okay, so boom. Is that mitigation?
These good trades are entering off of 4 micros, bro. Come on.
Look. I mean, yeah, but look. Who else makes trades this precise?
Volume balance.
Was it a volume imbalance? I don't think so. Oh, wait, no, you might be right. I was a monster. And I called out shorts up here, and I was thinking Call was gonna crash the market. 1.5k, 300.
How is that? ELT. What broker? I mean, what platform is that?
Trade day. Yamaha's run shorts. All for free. Uh-oh. Okay, I think that's enough of reminiscing.
Maybe you should go over market open.
Market open? F market
Yeah.
open.